This is my giant pumpkin and bacon pie. It's from the Winter Comforts chapter of my book, Tasteful, and it's made with an olive oil pastry. Place 3 cups of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Make a well in the centre and add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil and 2/3 of a cup of warm water. Mix it together to make a smooth dough, but do not overknead it. Wrap it in plastic wrap and allow it to rest while you make the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large fry pan and saute 1 finely sliced leek and 4 rashers of sliced bacon over medium heat for 5 minutes until softened. Then add 700 grams of grated pumpkin. Allow the mixture to cool and stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary leaves and 200 grams of smoked or vintage cheddar that has been grated. Cut the pastry dough in half and thinly roll out 1 piece to fit a 30 centimetre pizza tray, rolling it slightly larger than the tray. Use the rolling pin to place the pastry on the tray and brush it with egg. Top it with the pumpkin filling, then thinly roll out the remaining pastry and use it to cover the filling. Pinch the edges of the pastry together to seal. Brush with egg and sprinkle with caraway seeds. Use a small sharp knife to create a couple of little vents. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius in the centre of the oven for 15 minutes and then lower to the base of the oven for a further 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown underneath. My giant pumpkin and bacon pie.